Hey, it's Dave and William, and today we're doing a little bit of review, show you a new holster on the market. It's a Blade Tech Total Eclipse 2.0. I've been a fan of Blade Tech since it began as a two-man father-son operation in Ohio, and I've got I don't know, it's probably 10-year-old video of putting their original Tech Lock on a K-bar knife. I didn't like the old holster, so I used the Tech Lock. But anyway, they've really grown, and this really cool holster here, the Total Eclipse. If you don't need retention, then this might be the only holster that you would need. It is that modular. So it's really cool. It ships right-handed configuration, but if you're a lefty, all you do is take these two attachment points off and reverse them, and it makes it left-handed. And this is what makes it awesome. So it comes with different holster attachment types, and you can buy some others, but it comes with inside the waistband and outside the waistband. This would be for inside the waistband. You put these on, put it in, and then it just clips, right? But if you want to switch them, all you do is just hit the button and it slides out. You get the new kind, put it on, and it clips on, and it clips off. Clip on, clip off.
Clip off. Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off, right? So it's got FBI kit, it's got inside the waistband, it has these belt locks, which I really like. Let me look at it. If you really want it not to move, or maybe, you know, I don't know, maybe that might even fit into Molly gear. I don't know. But there's no retention, obviously, because it couldn't be ambidextrous if it was. Very slim, very sturdy. It does have an adjustable retention, which you can tighten it up with a screw. I've got it for the railed 5-inch 1911. It holds it pretty sturdy. There you go. Pretty sturdy as it comes from the factory. If you want to draw faster, then you would loosen that up. Got a little hole here for a lanyard if you want to put a thigh strap to it. But I think that's enough of the talk, the tale. Should we do some show?
Sure.
All right, so anybody could do a shooting holster review, but if we're going to tote it, we wanted to do some work. So we bush hogged, cleared out this area, and built a target stand. I'm all sweaty, but look, the gun didn't flop around. It did not cause me any problems whatsoever. Okay, so now let's try to shoot it.
Right here.
Don't be in front of me. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Good aim.
What do you think, buddy?
Woo! One of your shells hit me when it ejected. Woo!
You want to try?
The 45?
Yeah.
No, I'm good.
Try the 45 one time.
No.
With the camera.
No.
All right, William with the 45 for the first time at 10. 45 ACP. You got it. Finger off trigger T, ready to shoot.
Oh, wow, that's not bad. Oh.
I I've been toting a full-size 1911 in a Total Eclipse holster around the farm for about a week doing farm chores. And so I think I should give you my final thoughts. If you want this for farm work, for doing chores, for running around in the woods, for concealed carry, you really can't beat this holster. It's inexpensive and it's very high quality. There's no active retention, so I cannot recommend it for open carry or duty belt use, but it isn't designed that way. They never said it did, so I won't hold that against the holster. So if you want to score 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, whatever. All I can tell you is I wholeheartedly recommend this holster. I wish it came in more varieties of guns than just like Glock and M&P Shield and Springfield Hellcat and 1911s. I kind of like revolvers, but let's face it, this is 2021. Not going to get a lot of new holsters for revolvers. I'm a revolver guy. I'm a Glock guy. I haven't shot a 1911 in about 20 years, so please don't hit me too hard on my gun holstering with the 1911 specifically. This wasn't a 1911 video. The first time I'd ever shot that particular gun, that particular 1911 at all. So can't fault the holster for that. If it was a Glock, it would have been a lot smoother because, like I said, this is a good holster. Check out bladetech.com, Total Eclipse 2.0. Thanks.